Welcome to Raj Technologies, myself Raj Shekhar. In this video, we'll see how to download and install Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is used to develop applications easily and rapidly. Pairing some of the popular Java IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, JDeveloper, JBuilder, MyEclipse. Today we'll see how to go with Eclipse IDE. So, open search engine like Google and search here for Eclipse download. Go to the first link, Eclipse downloads, which opens the page www.eclipse.org/downloads. In this page, you can find a button download 64-bit. Click on this download 64-bit. Once again, click on this download button, which is going to download the software Eclipse installer win64.exe file. Click on this download button, which is going to download the software. Just to save the file, just to click on this save button. Save file. So which is start downloading the software for us. Once the download is completed, run this application. Just click over here, which is going to run the application. Run this file. Which opens the Eclipse installer. So it is opening Eclipse installer. Using this installer, we can use IDE for developing Java applications, enterprise Java applications, C++ applications, or web or JavaScript developers, PHP developers. So in this video, we'll see how to go with these enterprise Java developers. Click on this enterprise Java developers, and it will ask you the JVM what you require. So in our case, we are going with the JDK 14 and the installation folder. Let me install in D drive, and it's going to create a folder user/Lenovo and Eclipse JE202092, and it's going to create a start menu entry, and it's going to create a desktop shortcut. Our work is just to click on this install button. The installation has started. Once the installation is completed, you can find an option like launch the application. Let me just close this window, and you can find a shortcut on your desktop. You can find a shortcut on your desktop. So by using this shortcut, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java applications, run this application to open Eclipse. Just double click on this icon, which is going to open Eclipse for us. It will ask you to choose a workspace. You can select some workspace. Let me go with D:/Java programs. You can choose a workspace here. D:/Java programs. Say launch, which is going to open Eclipse for us. Once Eclipse is open, it's going to show a welcome screen. Just to close this welcome screen. Now let us see how to develop a Java application using Eclipse IDE. To develop a Java application using Eclipse IDE, go to the File menu and we need to create a Java project. For that, go to File menu and say New Project and say Java Project. Click here Next. It will ask you the project name. Give the project name. I am giving it as my project, your wish, any name. And just to click on this Finish button. You can find an option to click on this Finish button. So when it is asking you to create module info, click on Don't Create and say Open Perspective. So which is going to create a project for us. And the name of the project you can see in Package Explorer, My Project. Now let us see how to develop a Java application in this project. To go with a new Java source code file, we need to create a class. How to create a class is right click on My Project and say New Class. Give the name of the class. I am giving it as Welcome. And if you want to run a Java program, we require a main method inside a class. So make a check mark here to go with main method inside class Welcome. Click on Finish button. So which is going to create a class Welcome with main method inside. Control equal to increase the font size. Control minus to decrease the font size. Let me start typing the program. So in order to display a message onto the screen, we are going to make use of a class system with a member out and with a method println, and the message should go in double quotes and end with semicolon. If you miss out semicolon, in Eclipse it's going to highlight the compile time errors with red color line, and when we keep mouse pointer on this red color line, it's going to highlight the error. It's going to say syntax error, insert semicolon to complete block statement. So let us keep semicolon and save the file. File, save. The shortcut is save, Ctrl S. And to run a Java program, just simply right click on this program and say run as Java application, which is going to open a console and displays a message welcome on our console. You can even go to this run menu and you can select this option run. The shortcut key to run a Java application is Ctrl F11, which is going to open the console and displays welcome. Or we can even click on this shortcut on the toolbar, that is this option. This green color button, even if you click on this, it's going to run the application. Click on this run button, which is going to open the console and displays welcome message on the console for us. So we are in different ways to run a Java application. Either right click on welcome.java and say run as Java application, or you can go to the menu run and select here run. The shortcut key is Ctrl F11, or you can go to the shortcut toolbar and you can even click on this green color triangle shaped symbol, which is going to run our Java application. Now let us see some of the shortcuts in Eclipse. And as I said, like we are in some of the shortcuts, like to increase the font size of the program, Control equal to, which is going to increase the font size of the code, and Control hyphen to decrease the font size of the code. Okay. Now let us suppose you missed out to make a checkmark to main method while creating the class. Now we want to go with main method. Just to type main and press on your keyboard Control space enter. So which is going to create a main method along with curly braces. To go with system.out.println, which is used to display messages, just to type here sysout and the keyboard shortcut Control space, which is going to create system.out.println and ends with semicolon. To run a Java application, already we know Control F11, and to go with the comments, like for example I want to go with a comment like to display welcome message onto the screen, we want to go with a single line comment, means the shortcut to go with single line comment is Control/, which is going to create a single line comment //. If you want to go with multi-line comment, select the lines which you want to comment, and the keyboard shortcut to go for multi-line comment is Ctrl Shift Slash, which goes with multi-line comment slash star and end with again star slash. So that's about in this video about Eclipse IDE and how to develop a Java application using Eclipse IDE. And in the next video, we are going to see about the Java basics. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you all.